Hello students, how are you? I hope you all are fine. Today we will solve exercise 6a. This exercise is the chapter 6, ratio and proportion. So let's solve exercise 6a. Here question is saying express each of the given ratio in its simplest form. So in simplest form we have to write. Now first question is, let's see here, exercise 6a. First question first. What is given? 22 ratio 66. Now we can write like this also, 22/6. Now this number and this number in which table comes? In the table 11. So 11 it comes 2 times and 66 comes 6 times. So what you get? 2/6. Now see here, 2 and 6 in which table comes? In table 2. So in the table 2 both are coming, so we will cut this. So this comes 1 times and 6 comes 3 times. So what you get? 1/3. So 1:3. This is the simplest form of this. Okay. Now I hope you can solve this. Now let's see second number, 1.5 ratio 2.5. Let's see second number, 1.5 ratio 2.5. Now we can write like this, 1.5/2.5. So point is given. So point will be cut and it becomes 15/25. So here in the table 5 both are coming. So in the table 5, 15 comes how many times? 3 times. And in the table 5, 25 comes 5 times. So answer will be 3/5. And the ratio 3:5 ratio. So this is the simplest form of this is 3:5. Now let's do some other question. In third number we have to write in simple fraction. Okay. This is given in the mixed fraction form. You have to write simple fraction form. Then you can solve this. See. Next question. Next question is 40 kg ratio 1 quintal. So here quintal is given. So this unit is different. Here kg, here quintal. So first we have to convert into same unit. Okay. So we will convert 1 quintal to kg. How will convert this? Let's see. Fourth number. Fourth. 40 kg ratio 1 quintal. Students, do you know 1 quintal is equal to how many kg? So 1 quintal is equal to 100 kg. So here 1 quintal is given. So we will write 100 kg in place of 1 quintal. So it becomes 40 kg ratio 100 kg. Okay. Now we can write like this, 40/100. Now 10 cut. In the table 2, 4 and 10 comes. So we will cut this. Now this comes 2 times in the table 2. This comes 5 times. So what you get? 2/5. In ratio 2:5. So simplest form, what you get? 2:5. Now let's see fifth number. Fifth number is 10 paise ratio ₹1. This is given portion. Now here paise, here rupees. Again unit is different. So first you have to convert unit. Okay. So here rupees we will convert. So in 1 rupees, how many paise? 100 paise. Okay. 100 paise. So here 10 paise ratio in rupees 1. What you will write? 100 paise. So here unit we have get same. Now let's solve this. So here what happens? This we can write like this. Okay, now this 0 cut. What you get? You get 1 by 10 and you can write 1:10. So see, you have find simplest form. Now let's see 6 number. 6 number here 200 meter and ratio 5 kilometer. So unit is different. Now here you have to convert kilometer into meter. So 1 meter is equal to how many kilometer? That is 1 kilometer. 1 kilometer is equal to how many meter? 1000 meter. Clearly I am writing once again. 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. So here what is given here? 200 meter, 5 kilometer. So here 1 kilometer is equal to 100 meter. So 5 kilometer. So it will be multiplied. So it gets 5000 meter. Now we can write 200 meter ratio 5 kilometer. So in place of this we can write 200 meter ratio 5000 meter. So meter same unit. Now we will cut this and we can write like this also, 200 by 5000. Now 20 will be cut. Now in the table 2 50 comes, this will be cut, it will be 225. So here will be 1. So what you get? 1 by 25. So ratio is 1:25. This is the answer. Now here what you have to do here? 3 hours and 1 days. So in 1 days how many hours? 24 hours. So you will 1 day is equal to 24 hours. So in 1 day place you will write 24 hours. Then you can do this process. Now let's see next question. Now each number. What is given? 6 months ratio 1 by 3 years. So here years is given. So in 1 year how many months? 12 months. So let's see how you will solve this question. Each number. Question is 6 months ratio 1 by 3 years. Now this is given into mixed fraction form. First we will write into simplest fraction form. So it will be 6 months ratio 3 ones are 3 and this 4. So 4 by 3 years. So students, his years is given. We have to convert in months. So 1 years is equal to 1 year how many months? 12 months. So this 12 we have to multiply here. Now 6 months ratio 4 by 3 into 12 to convert in months. Okay. Now this will be cut. It becomes 4. So what you get? 6 months ratio 4 is into 4. What you get? 16. So 16 months. Now we can write like this, 6 by 16. We will cut this. We get here 3. Here you get 8. So in the table 2 both are cutting. So we will cut this. So what you get? 3 by 8. It means 3 ratio 8. This is the answer. So see what is the process I have done. You will do now. Here simple. In this 9 number you have to first find simplest fraction form. Okay. Now next process you will find the denominator, LCM of denominator. Okay. Then you will multiply it. Then you get the answer. Now let's do second number. Second number is divide 64 centimeter long string into 2 parts. Okay. In the ratio 5:3. So ratio is given 5:3. Here some string is given that meter is given 64 centimeter. You have to divide this into two parts, but ratio is 5:3. So how you will solve this? Let's see. Second number, first you will write in solution sum of ratio. Here you have to find sum of ratio. Sum of ratio. So ratio is 5:3. So it means 5 plus 3. So here we will add the ratio. So 5 plus 3. What you get? You get 8. Now next step you will write therefore first part. You have to find two parts. So therefore first part total in ratio with divide with this. So first part is 5. Okay. In ratio first part is 5, second part is 3 in ratio. Okay. But total ratio is 8 you have get. Okay. Now 5 ratio 3. So total you have to add this total you get in ratio. So in out of 8, 5 part is first part. So 5 by 8. Now you will multiply with total. So total is 64. Now let's solve this. So in 8, 64 comes how many times? It comes 8 times. So 8. Here it will cut. Now what you get? 5 into 8. Now we'll multiply this. After multiplying, what you get? 40 centimeter. Now second part. First part is 40 centimeter. Now we will find second part. For second part, what you have to do? In ratio 3. Out of 8, 3 part is second part. So 3 by total part in ratio, that is 8. And total centimeter is 64. Again this will be cut. It will be 8. And 3 is to 8. 3 into 8, what you get? You get 24 centimeter. So this 40 centimeter is first part and 24 centimeter is a second part, and this is the answer. Now let's see third number. Here rupees 720 is divided between x and y in the ratio 4:5. Okay. Now some number is given, you have to divide. Some x and y, you have to divide this in the ratio 4:5. It means x value is 4, y value is 5, but in ratio. Okay. Now how many rupees will each get? Now how many rupees x gets? How many rupees y get? So same process you have to do. You have to add this, and in ratio total you have to find. Now let's solve this. Third number. Here you will write in solution total amount. Total amount is given rupees 720. Now we have to find ratio total. So sum of ratio 4 plus 5, because ratio of x and y ratio is 4:5. So we will add this. So in ratio it will be total 9. Now how many rupees x gets? Let's see. So x shares how many rupees? In ratio 4, and total in ratio, that is 9, and we have to multiply with rupees this much 720. So in total 4 by 9 x money. So we will solve this. After solving this will be cut how many times? So in the table 972 comes 8 times. So 8 and this 0 will be here. So it will be 80. So we will multiply 4 into 80. What you get? 320. So this is the answer. This much rupees x get. Now next y say So how many y get? Now let's see. In ratio, y get 5. Total ratio is 9. We have to multiply with total amount. That is 720. Now same, it will be cut with 80. Now multiply this 5 into 80. What you get? You get